Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we're gonna see about the various government jobs notifications for this particular week. Yep. So the first one is from Swami Vivekananda National Institute of Rehabilitation Training and Research Institute. So the recruitment is for 4 different posts, and you could see the number of vacancies and the categories as well as the basic pay and their age. So if you wish to apply for these any one of these posts, you may kindly visit svnirtar.nac.in. Yes, and the next one is from Rajiv Gandhi Center for Biotechnology. So these positions are for the persons who are and comes under the Disabilities Act 2016. There are 4 different vacancies, and if you wish, you want to apply, or if you wish you are eligible for this post, you can kindly visit rgcb.res.in website, and the dates have been mentioned. So your submission should complete on or before June 12, 2020. The next one is from REC, Power Distribution Company Limited, so which is a Navaratna, which comes under Ministry of Power. So the position is for experienced professionals on fixed term basis. So if you see that the number of posts is for 8 under the designation of assistant engineer. So those who have BE BTech electrical engineering can apply for this post, and we have one more vacancy for assistant finance executive where the qualification is chartered accountant. So the last date for submission of online application is 27th May, and the website is recindia.nac.in. So the next notification is from Karnataka State Council for Science and Technology, which is located in Indian Institute of Science campus in Bengaluru. So the advertisement is for various posts which fall under CISEC, the Center for Excellence in Cybersecurity. So the posts are for 4 different designations. As mentioned here: group lead, awareness and skill building, IT project manager, content creator cum policy analyst, and intern full stack developer. So the last date for applying is 31st May 2020. For more details, you can kindly visit cs-coe.iisc.ac.in/careers website. So the next one is from Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, which requires a professional for both management trainee as well as medical professionals. So the various positions, the category wise have been displayed here. So they take based on, they choose candidates, shortlist candidates for the personal interview based on the UGC net scores. And you can also see the vacancy for medical professionals and the number of vacancies there. So if you need more details, you may kindly visit vizagsteel.com website. And the next one is from Airport Authority of India for 2 vacancies. One is for quality manager, the other one is for operations manager. This is purely on contract basis, and the last date for submission is 31st May 2020. And kindly visit aai.aero for more details. The next one is from Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation Limited. So they have asked for candidates from environmental field and for the appointment of environment expert. So it will be purely based on contract basis and the minimum 3 to 5 years. And if you need more details, you may kindly visit gujaratmetrorail.com and apply online. So the last date to apply online is 12th June 2020. And the final one is from TNPL, which is Tamil Nadu Newsprint and Papers Limited. So all the posts are senior category post, which includes CGM Finance, CGM Marketing, CGM Marketing paper board, as well as ED Marketing paper board. And you see the various number of posts, their reservations, their scale of pay, and monthly CTC mentioned here. If you wish, or if you know anyone who are eligible for this post, you may kindly visit the website tnpl.com and you can apply. Yep. Thank you, guys. These are the various notifications that came for this week, starting from Monday to this Friday. So I'm planning to upload all the notifications, job notifications for every week in my YouTube channel. So kindly don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and boost your career. Thank you.